In this slide, we're going to see some examples from multiple fields. In healthcare, just like we saw the diabetic classification problem, if this guy got diabetes or not. Here we have something called medical image analysis, which was the MRI brain cancer example that I just explained. In the transportation, we have something called self-driving cars, which is in Tesla. The car drive itself. In finance, we have something called customer segmentation, just like the one I explained about Amazon. In e-commerce, identifying consumers, same thing, almost the same thing as customer segmentation. Recommendation system, recommendation engine in e-commerce means like an Amazon. Okay, recommendation engines that I explained. Analyzing reviews are written in text, so it means I'm going to use NLP, and I'm going to use something called sentiment analysis. If he's talking some nice words, it's going to be positive review. If it's bad words, it's going to be negative review. And in manufacturing, we can predict if there was a problem in that machine or not. Let's say I have a bunch of machines, and after a while, let's say every 2 years, this machine gets some issues. So before that machine actually get an issue, there is a system is going to say that yeah, it's time for this machine to do some maintenance. And we have in banking, we have something called fraud detection. Let's say I was buying, I always buy from secure websites like Amazon, eBay, but let's say for some reason I bought from an unsecure website, so the banking immediately going to know that this someone might be stealing my credit card, so they will stop that transaction. This is a fraud detection. If you want to know more about applications of data science in real life, I would highly recommend that you read this book for Dr. Eric Siegel. It's a great book. Any manager who want to know about data science or how data scientists can add value to any organization, you should read this book.